Hello everybody, this is Dr. DeChavo doing a very short video today for a very simple announcement. And this announcement is early. Sometimes they're going to overlap. I try to get them to you in plenty of time. This will apply for week 3, September 7th through the 13th. If you start to get confused, always go to the date at the top there. And, here we are at the 3rd. You still have week 2 work done. Oh, okay, she's did this early. Go to the week 2 announcement. Okay, you can even make a folder for Path, and you can put the announcements in there and pull them up as you like. Moving into week 3, it starts to get a little rhythmic here, but I do want to point out that the first exam is during week 5. When it's time, you'll see it open in content, all tests, and rubrics. It will cover from the beginning of class up to and including neoplasm. That content is in week 5. It is 75 questions, but sometimes the points are a little different because I do throw in a matching question. The other format for the class test will be multiple choice and true false. Exam 1 will open Wednesday, September 23rd at 4 a.m. to Thursday, September 24th at 4 a.m. This exam includes content up to including neoplasm. You can open the exam anytime during that time frame, but once you open it, you do need to complete it. So for week 3, there are 2 chapters. You'll see there's 2 modules in there, but they're both very short. That's why I did 2. Please watch the videos and look over the notes for these chapters. There are also 2 quizzes due for the week, one for chapter 3 and one for chapter 4. Now, additionally, you will have a quiz in week 4. Somebody's already taken it. I just want to make note. It goes over all the rules to follow when you're taking an exam through the Respondus app. We'll review that next week. If you want to take a look at that ahead of time, feel absolutely free to do that. That quiz was keyed in as 19 points. I'm sorry to tell you, it's only worth 10. However, you get an extra credit point just by finishing it on time. But that is next week. Okay, so I'm getting ahead of myself. But I know some of you have asked about that. The rules for Respondus and what's called the environmental scan. Okay, so that's not due this week, guys. We'll get into that next week in case some of you have looked at that. That's all I have to say for today. I hope you have a great week. Please let me know if you have any questions. One quick thing. I'm covering most of the sections except for Mr. Bakash's section, Mr. Rajmi. Unfortunately, one person has not been hired yet. We are supposed to get her very soon. That is the section that says TBD. That will be Dr. Westcott. She's amazing. I went through my doctoral program with her, and she's actually a nurse. So you guys will have a really cool time with her in that section. Dr. Wattis is out. Her baby is coming. We're so excited. And as you all know, Dr. Folletti is on maternity leave. So if you are in any of those 3 sections, you can email me your questions, and hopefully everyone will be back before we know it and feeling great and doing well. So thank you all. Have a great week, and I look forward to working with you soon.